Shadow Lake Nature Preserve's ecosystems are an important resource for the local wildlife populations. Over the past several years, we've really tried to document the different species that utilize shadow for habitat. We have been able to observe and document black bear, deer, elk, bobcat, coyote, many different species of birds, some amphibians and reptiles as well. To gain a better understanding of what wildlife species utilize shadow as a resource, we often partner with our volunteers and other organizations. Shadow currently serves as a study site for 2 Woodland Park Zoo monitoring programs. That includes their amphibian monitoring program and more recently, their urban carnivore project.
So the program that I'm a part of is the amphibian monitoring program through Woodland Park Zoo, and Shadow Lake Nature Preserve is one of the locations that Woodland Park Zoo goes to monitor amphibians because of the ephemeral pools. And ephemeral pools are pools of water that dry up at some point during the year. It's important to have the kind of green space that Shadow Lake Nature Preserve encompasses because it allows much broader partnerships with organizations like Woodland Park Zoo and the county to ensure that there are conservation green spaces that are preserved throughout the county. The data collection from this amphibian site is put into a database, and it is compared to previous years for this specific site, and it is also compared to other amphibian sites throughout the entire state of Washington. So Shadow Lake Nature Preserve is a unique area in King County because it is in the south end of the county, and it is not in a park system. A lot of the amphibian monitoring through the zoo happens in designated park areas through the city or through the county, and this is not necessarily a city park area where we do the amphibian monitoring. It is a separate protected community-based preservation area in an urban area.
Here at Shadow, we're extremely dedicated to preserving and protecting habitat for wildlife species. But we're also dedicated to educating and communicating with members of the public about how to coexist with local wildlife.